Good morning, guys, YouTube people, world, whoever, wherever. It's a chilly, cloudy, kind of raining morning. Anyway, welcome back to Half-Fast 719. Back with another video. I am going to be, I don't know if I'm going to install this or just go over it, because I don't know where I'm going to install it yet. I kind of almost want to drill holes and put rib nuts in here in the tubing, but that might make a weak spot. Might not. Ouch. Anyway, yeah, so this is a TUSK third brake Chase Light. I'll put a link below for this, but I don't have. I guess we can look at the paperwork. So this is a TUSK Chase Light bar installation, part number a lot 21098600001. Anyway, so this light can do reverse light, brake light. Says wire side turn signal, bare side turn signal. So I'm assuming a right and a left signal. Switch up is off. The middle is on. Hold down for 3 seconds for strobe function, and press down press to rotate between 8 different strobe patterns. So grab a little battery, show you what this is about. I played with it a little bit, but whatever. I don't know. I just have always wanted one, and I had some Rocky Mountain books, and yeah, I wanted to try it. I wanted to buy one since I had Rocky Mountain books. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick this on that side of the paper so that it doesn't arc, hopefully. So you can see we got red lights. And now this is how it's going to be mounted, is with the TUSK label up. So middle means it's on. I think that is off, which is up. So middle again is on. Oh, you gotta hold it for 3 seconds. So we got flashing amber. You got that flashing amber. You got that one. That one's alternating. I think we're back. So we'll say 1, 2, 3 is solid. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8. So let me just go to solid and recount. So that's solid. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Solid. Okay, so 8 on them. Turn it off, it's off. The light is still illuminated, and that shows that it's on. Brake lights. And then that's the last one you would select. Anyway, disconnect this. Get this out of here. So I want to go over a couple things that I've already noticed per the instructions, and as usual, you can see I have a file out. Let's just throw this. Let's throw it here. Out the bags. So back here on the instructions, you can see pretty nice and easy. Green is the brake light, black is reverse light, brown is turn signal. Don't know why they call it bare wire. Anyway, it's got the switch already. Positive, negative. I'll probably wire this into the a switch of some sort, so that this way it's not always on. But we'll see how that goes. They do give you an extension for 4-seater cars. I don't think I'll need it. I think I have plenty of wire, so it's pretty cool for the price. I think right now, like I said, it's $149. Reason I got it is because I had Rocky Mountain Bucks from the Supercross Fantasy, Rocky Mountain Fantasy, whatever. So you have two different options. You can do a slide bracket installation where it's these pieces here, or sorry, side bracket. This is the slide one. So this is the side where you're just going to mount it like this, or you can mount it like this, however you desire. Bolts, mount it lower. Maybe you can. I don't think you can. Yeah, you can almost do like a flush mount. So that's that way. Comes with an Allen wrench, screws, or bolts, washers, nuts, everything. So it says to do, which I think is wrong, but I could be wrong. So it says to do the bolt with the lock washer and the flat washer, and then just the nut. As far as I know, the lock washer should go on top of the, or behind the nut. Anyway, so that's that side. You got the slide bracket installation, which is these little things here. They will go in the back of the unit. I guess there's only one cutout, so there's no cutout for it in here. You'd have to slide both of them over here. Focus. So you put this in, I'm assuming like that. Maybe not. Maybe I'm a liar again. Maybe the head, no, that can't work. Maybe the head of the bolt. Okay, so the nut goes in there. The nut will go in there. That's dumb. So you're relying on this little nut. So you'd slide the nut in there. This would go there. And this would go there. Something like that. I'm assuming. That's kind of dumb, but whatever. Of course. put it wherever you want it. Oh boy. Anyway, I can find that nut later. Let's do a different nut. So the orientation of this down here, I do not like, because it almost seems like you should do it differently. You guys know me, whatever, you guys get the gist of it. So this is, that's how they want you to do it, right? This, the big bolt in the center of the screen right here. They want you to do the bolt. I'm putting it together. So, as you can see here, got the casting in the middle, which is pretty rough. So anyway, they want you to take the bolt, a washer, stick it in here, even though they have the flat washer, lock washer, and the bolt. But they want you to put it in here like this. Well, I'm going to say no. So, whoever does the instructions, pay attention, please. So, I got one already done up, made up. It's technically probably how you should have it. The bolt sitting in there, so that you don't have to stick a wrench or anything in here, since the light will rotate in here. You will stick the flat washer, the lock washer, and then the nut. So the one problem you have is you stick the bolt in here and it doesn't fit because the castings are kind of trash. So, being half-fast as I am, I take a file and I file them clean so that the bolt will sit in there flush, and then you don't even need to worry about holding a wrench or nothing on this side. So anyway, that's one thing I've noticed on it already, but whatever, small things. But now I need to figure out if I'm going to be doing some rib nuts to hold these, or if I'm going to do something else. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do, because it's too short to mount between my whips, flag post holes. I don't want it sitting above the car. I want it sitting right with that bar. So I'm gonna do some research, and we'll continue this once it's installed. But I don't think I'm going this route. I think this route is a no. This route is probably a go, because I can mount it directly to, oh man, nope, this is a no-go as well. I don't want to mount it like that. I might be doing the side mounts. I might be doing this. Actually, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Because I don't want to like that. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll have to play with it. Are these both the same? Or are they left hand, right hand? Okay, left hand, right hand. Okay, That might actually work better. So I'll probably do this. Rotate it. The only thing that sucks is that there's no teeth on here. There's no teeth on here. It's just bolts and washers and no teeth. So the thing can just rotate if it wants. Anyway, guys, that's where I'm at. We'll figure it out. I'll see how it goes. Yeah, to be continued, I guess. Alright, so I got a Sharpie out. What I've decided is I'm going to drill some holes, just 2 holes. So that's the light. We have about an inch and an eighth from the end of the light to this. Looks pretty center in the center bar, and then the same inch and an eighth from that there. My plan is I gotta figure out which one of these I'm going to use, because I might use this one, but I'm gonna mark it. I don't know yet. I don't know if I like that, but I'm going to drill a hole and use a rib nut. If you don't know what a rib nut is, basically you drill a hole and it acts like a rivet. And this is harder than it looks. Get this out. So basically the rib nut, you drill a hole. I'm gonna have to go about a half inch hole. You stick it in this tool. It's threaded onto this tool, and you squeeze it like a rivet. So let me mark the holes and go from there. I'll be back. All right, I got it marked. The top mark on that one, we're gonna go 3/4 inch down, 3/4 inch down. I'm gonna put the bracket. Basically, it's gonna be right there. Sorry, I'm all backwards. It's not gonna be that bracket. So that's gonna go for that side. This bracket's gonna go this side. Do I have that right? I might not have that right. Nope, I didn't have it right. So the hole is gonna go there, the top line. The light will go right there. So let me drill these holes, get these rib nuts in. I'm just gonna go a little bit at a time. I think I gotta go to the half inch, where it says half. I'll just step it in, and I'll keep testing it. But once I get it to where it needs to be, put this in, and then you squeeze it, and then it acts like a rivet, and it holds it in there. So I read a bunch that it's fine to drill a couple holes. Obviously, I think there was a percentage. I read somewhere that you can have up to 50%, or sorry, 25% of the diameter. So this is 1 3/4 tubing. That's 1.5 inches, 1 3/4, I believe, if I remember right. So I'm only doing a 1/4 inch, or actually half inch hole. So I think I'll be good. It's kind of what I've been trying to figure out, how big of a hole I can have. 1/4 inch hole would have been better, but in order for these rib nuts, they have to be half inch. And then for these bolts, half inch. Anyway, got the drill bit. Let's do it. Then wiring, I don't know when I'm gonna wire it. I'm supposed to be loading. This is already supposed to be loaded. We're supposed to go to the dunes But I might not be going because it's supposed to be raining. The last time it was raining out at Dumont. Got a whole new cage, a whole new front clip, all new A-arms and everything because it was raining and whoop, flip 3 times. Alright, let me get these drilled. Yeah, let's just do it. I'm doing it. Alright. I'm not sure if this is how I want to keep it, but my thing is you got airflow coming down, it's gonna hit it. Kind of wondering if I should, because I can't drop it down to this second hole there because of the, yeah, it just won't go because it's already pretty much touching the rack, the cage. I don't know why I called it a rack, but it's pretty much touching right in there. I don't want to space it out any. It would have been nice if these were kind of curved. But I also don't want to put anything that goes through here because I can get clamps that'll clamp on, but then I'd have to cut this out, which I'm not going to do. Anyway, I think that's how I'm going to leave it. If I turn these around, let's say I put this one on that side, that one on this side, it'll drop it down. I might try that. I don't like how it's sitting up that high. I want it, I measured it so that it would fit right on this, right in the middle. So basically this bolt would have been right there. So let me flip these around. Let me play with it. All right, I think I got it where I want it. It's kind of no happy medium, but seem to have a gap back there. It's out of the way for the mirror. It's not blocking my vision. So I think we're good, guys. So I'll play with the wiring, figure something out there for tomorrow. I might get rid of this helmet light and put the switch in there. I don't know, but for now I'm done. I'm gonna go in the house, go eat some food, put some tools away, lift this gate up, and yeah, got everything tight, as tight as I can get it, and then I'll run wiring. But that's what we got, guys. It's not the greatest, it's not the worst. Anyway, that's the light install, the Chase Light for the Yamaha. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do, keep being you, and don't do what I do, because I like to buy cheap and spend 3 hours modifying it. Alright, guys, later.